Hey guys, here's an Instagram tip for you.
Yeah!
For today, we're talking Instagram stories. So let's go ahead and watch this video real quick. So we enter Instagram stories and we scroll through the news feed and we come across this image here. On this image, we notice that there is no call to action.
What?
What I'm going to do now is go over to Grant Cardone's page, and you see that there is a swipe up at the bottom, and you swipe up and it takes you to a link that is attached to that Instagram.
Okay!
Now, if you have less than, I think, 1,000 followers, cannot access this feature. But there's a workaround on this, as this is another example. And that workaround, to figure that out, you can go ahead and watch this video and we'll help you out. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to the Instagram TV app. If you do not have Instagram TV app or the IGTV app, you need to find it in the App Store. Go ahead and type in IGTV and download that. Okay, IGTV, so here we go. If you have not connected it to your account just yet, you will need to set it up to your account. In the bottom left-hand corner, just like Instagram, you have a choice to choose what you want to upload. Here on the screen, what I want to upload is the video that is 13 minutes and 30 seconds. On IGTV, you cannot upload a video longer than 15 minutes or shorter than 1 minute. Now that I have my video that I want to upload, I want to hit the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Now from the camera roll, I want to upload the photo to do the cover photo. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to choose a photo. So here we have Nate Navarro standing here. For this photo, the ratio needs to be 1.155 so it will fit in the square. If you want it to be 1 by 1 so it'll go nice and clean into your Instagram feed, you will need to upload a 1 by 1 photo, not the 1.155. The problem that you can see here is now that the photo is a little off kilter of the preview, but if you do the 1.1.55, then you will be able to see it better there. Now on this page, on the title, you need to type something like, click here to review the website that you are wanting to link, anything like that. What I'm going to say here is to click here to view the video in YouTube. Now in the description is where you will paste the link to the video. So real quick, I'm going to run over to YouTube and I'm going to grab that link from the video that I want to link in this IGTV or in your Instagram story. After we have our link, we want to go ahead and paste that into our description. For me, I will add this video to the Syntax 5 series. If you don't have a series yet, that's fine. I do want to share it on Instagram, so this will post a preview. Once I click here, a preview will be shared to your profile on your Instagram. You don't have to do this, but you can. Now on the edit preview screen, you guys can scroll with your finger up and down to change the perspective of the video in the photo. But remember that your Instagram feed is a 1 by 1. So the video will not be able to fit entirely into this square. Sorry. Also to note, this video will only upload 1 minute to your Instagram feed. So if you want a particular part of this video to be the first minute, you will have to edit that section to the beginning of your video so it can be a good 1 minute video intro to grab that attention of your viewer. Go ahead and click save. Next, I'm going to edit the cover photo. Now remember, for me, that cover photo is based off of the photo that I uploaded earlier So it's going to be a little bit off kilter. It will not have the full photo effect, but if you uploaded a 1x1 photo, then you will be able to fit everything into your Instagram feed. Go ahead and click save. I do want it to be visible on Facebook. You don't have to. Now, in order to put this into your Instagram story, what you need to do is go to the Instagram app. In your top left-hand corner, go ahead and click the blue plus sign of your logo. After you click the blue plus sign, you can either choose a photo or take a photo. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this photo here. After you choose the photo, you can click the red link button at the top. I will circle it in red for you now. There it is. Now we see the click here, the link, the arrow, click on done. Our call to action has now been added. Now, what I'm going to do here is add some hashtags that relate to your post. What I normally do is I have a Google, or not a Google Note, but a Apple Note that has all of my hashtags that I want to put in each post. So I can go over and copy that and paste it into Instagram. Now you can change the text color of your hashtags. I don't personally care if anybody see the hashtags right now, so I'm going to color them white, but you have the opportunity to color them red or any other color. Now, after you get that, you can pinch to zoom or pinch to shrink so that you can put this group of text in a certain spot on your Instagram story. Now you want to share it. You want to share it to your story, and then you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick. Let's go to my personal social media page. Swipe down here, see if I can find Syntax Business Podcast post. If not, that's fine. I'll just search it. Syntax Business Pod. All right, now let's go to the story. There's the photo, swipe it up. There's the video, starts playing. At the top, I see the click here. The link pops up, click YouTube, and here we go. The Syntex 5 with Bird Creek Roofing. All right, guys, let me know if there are any questions or if this needs to be a little bit more concise. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps, and looking forward to assist you guys with some more Instagram game or other social media help. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Let's take it easy. Bye.